press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Limit extends to 0, log of cos x to the base secant x by 2 whole divided by log of cos x by 2 to the base secant x. So this is the question. Now the question is limit extends to 0. Actually it can be written as log cos x divided by log of secant x by 2, this fraction. Okay, actually log a to the base b can be taken as log a divided by log b, base e, like that. According to that formula, of course it is base e to be understood. Next, whole divided by, it is also log of number cos x by 2 whole divided by base, log of base secant x from to the base e, like that. So that is equal to limit extends to 0. This is log of cos x divided by log of secant x by 2 into log of secant x divided by log of cos x by 2, log of cos x by 2. So that is equal to limit extends to 0. Actually you come here, log of secant theta is equal to log of secant means 1 by cos theta, that is equal to logarithm of cos theta whole power minus 1, that is equal to minus log of cos theta. Already I explained the properties of logarithms. So according to this, okay, write log of cos x divided by this one minus log of cos x by 2 into this one also minus log of cos x divided by log cos x by 2. So that is equal to minus into minus plus. So it can be limit extends to 0, log of cos x divided by log of cos x by 2. Later we are applying L'Hospital rule, means differentiation for numerator separator and denominator separator. That's why I put base e like that, because base e, log of d by dx of log of f of x to the base e is equal to 1 by f of x into f dash f x. Already we did know that beautiful formula. Okay, into separate the functions with limit operator, log of cos x divided by log of cos x by 2, like that. Now first put x equal to 0 directly. X equal to 0, cos 0 1, log 1 0, it is also 0. So it is 0 by 0. It is giving 0 by 0. It is also giving 0 by 0 on putting directly x equal to 0. Therefore we are applying L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. So therefore you come here. L'Hospital rule means what? Differentiation for this numerator divided by differentiation of denominator. Here also differentiation of numerator, differentiation of denominator. So that is equal to d by dx of here d by dx of d by dx of dy dx of logarithm of f of x, logarithm of f of x is what? 1 by f of x into f dash of x. This is the formula. We are applying this formula. So therefore 1 by f of x into dy dx of cos x minus sin x minus sin x minus sin x. Okay, whole divided by here also dy dx of log of f of x 1 by f of x 1 by f of x into f dash of x minus sin f of x into again dy dx of x by 2 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2 as x tends to 0 into similarly this one same minus sin x by cos x whole divided by same whole divided by minus 1 by cos x by 2 into sin x by 2 into 1 by 2 as x tends to 0. So that is equal to, this is minus, so minus cancel, here also minus cancel. Next this is tan x divided by, it is tan x by 2, it is 1 by 2 means it is 2, limit x tends to 0 into same limit x tends to 0 it is 2 into same tan x by 2. Actually limit theta tends to 0 tan theta by theta equals to 1 and limit theta tends to 0 tan a theta divided by theta is equal to a. These are the basic formulae. So that is equal to 2 into 2 4 into limit x tends to 0 here tan x divided by x whole divided by limit x tends to 0 tan x by 2 divided by x. So without loss of generality we divided by x in numerator and denominator also. Similarly here also limit x tends to 0 tan x divided by x whole divided by limit x tends to 0 tan x by 2 divided by x, like that. So that is equal to 4 into this numerator 1 divided by, it is denominator is in this form. A means what? Here 1 by 2. So therefore simply it is 1 by 2 into, like that, 1 divided by 1 by 2. So that is equal to 4 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 16. Answer is 16. Hence the problem. Limit x tends to 0. Box of 100 into tan x into sin x divided by x square. Here, for all x belongs to open interval of 0, pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 1.57 radians. That is 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Sin x is less than x is less than tan x. Okay. This is the standard formula. Here, subcondition sin x is less than x and x is less than tan x. Okay. Here, sin x divided by x is less than 1. Less than 1 means what does it mean? Just less than 1. It is the correct meaning. Next, from here x divided by tan x is less than 1. Here also this ratio is just less than 1, or its reciprocal tan x divided by x is just greater than 1. What does it mean? It is just greater than 1. Just less than 1, just greater than 1 means what? For example, this is 1. Just less than means here. For example, this point is 0.999, just like that. It is just less than 1. Next, this one, it is just greater than 1. 1.001 means just greater than 1. Means this area is neighborhood of 1. It is called as neighborhood of the point 1. Okay, neighborhood means very near value, but not 1. That is the complete meaning. Okay, next you come here. Limit, the given question is limit extends to 0 box of 100 into, it can be written as tan x divided by x into, this can be written as sin x divided by x, means this x square is splitting as x into x, just like that. Okay, so limit extends to 0. What is tan x by x? Tan x by x just greater than 1 means instead of this value we can write just greater than 1 means 1.001. So it can be taken as 1.001. Next, sin x by x just less than 1. It can be taken as 0.999. Okay, understand? So that is equal to, we can take it as box of 100 into 1.001 into 0.999. So clearly it can be 99.9999 something like that. So box of 99, box it will take only integer part, that is equal to 99. Next you come here. Next same model question. Limit extends to 0 box of 100 into x divided by sin x, x divided by sin x, plus box of 99 into sin x divided by x, like that. So that is equal to, as x tends to 0, this value 100 into x divided by sin x. Here you come here. Sin x divided by x is less than 1. It's a reciprocal. X divided by sin x is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means already I said just greater than 1. 1.001, like that. Plus box of 99 into 99 sin x by x just less than 1. 0.999, like that. So therefore it will be 100 plus it will come 98. So that is equal to total 198. Hence the second option is right. Here its value is 99. Hence the problem. Extends to pi by 2. Box of x minus pi by 2 divided by cos x. Here we have to take pi by 2 minus x is equal to theta. Let like that. Pi by 2 minus x equal to theta. Okay. So as x tends to pi by 2 means put x equal to pi by 2 in this equation. then theta becomes 0. So therefore, as x tends to pi by 2, it is equivalent to say that theta tends to 0. Okay, let us substitute all those things in the given question. Limit, instead of x tends to pi by 2, we can write theta tends to 0. Next, box of x minus pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x equal to theta. X minus pi by 2 means minus theta divided by, it is cos of x means what? So from this equation, pi by 2 minus theta, that is equal to x. So therefore, instead of x, we can write pi by 2 minus theta. So that is equal to limit theta tends to 0 minus theta divided by, it is sin theta. Already I said for all theta belongs to open interval of 0 to pi by 2, we have sin theta is less than tan theta. It is important formula. So therefore, from this condition, the subcondition is sin theta is less than theta. Means what? Sin theta divided by theta is less than 1. But we have theta by sin theta. So therefore, let us take its reciprocal. Reciprocal means it will take the reverse direction. So it is greater than 1 by 1 means 1. So greater than 1 means just greater than 1. Already I said. So box of minus just greater than 1 means 1.001, just like that. So therefore, according to the step x function definition, means that this is the real line. It is 1 plus 1. Next, this one is or minus 1, take minus 1 directly, and this one is minus 1.00001, just like that, and so on. So minus 2, suppose it's next preceding next coming integer is minus 2 from the left side. So therefore, its box value can be taken as next integer from the left side, that is equal to minus 2. Answer is minus 2. Hence the problem. The value of limit x tends to 0 e power x into logarithm of 2 power x minus 1 minus 2 power x minus 1 whole power x into sin x whole divided by e power x into logarithm of x. Okay, actually e power, let us consider the function e power x into logarithm of 2 power x minus 1. It can be written as e power logarithm of 2 power x minus 1 whole to the power of x, since m into log x is equal to logarithm of x to the power of m. Understand? So next, another formula, a power logarithm of f of x to the base a, means its base a. Next, total base is small a, both are same, therefore it is nothing but f of x. Already I said this formula, hence this can be written as it is base e, bases are same, simply it is 2 power x minus 1 whole to the power of x. So therefore, limit x tends to 0, this can be simply 2 power x minus 1 whole to the power of x minus, this is same, 2 power x minus 1 whole to the power of x into sin x divided by, it can be become here e power x log x, e power x into log x is equal to e power logarithm of, according to this formula, m into log x is log of x power m. So x to the power of x, that is equal, according to this formula, it is simply x to the power of x. This is x to the power of x. So it is whole power 1 by x. So therefore that is equal to limit x tends to 0. Here 2 power x minus 1 whole power x common. 2 power x minus 1 whole power x common into 1 minus sin x whole divided by x to the power of x whole to the power of 1 by x. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0 2 power x minus 1 whole power x whole power 1 by x into this one. So this one whole power 1 by x into this one 1 minus sin x whole to the power of 1 by x whole divided by x power x whole power 1 by x, like that. So therefore limit x tends to 0 so this x cancel, it means only 2 power x minus 1 into 1 minus sin x whole to the power of 1 by x whole divided by, here also x is cancelled, it means only x, so therefore limit x tends to 0, we can take like that 2 power x minus 1 divided by x, because one standard formula is there, limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 divided by x equal to log a is the constant, x is the variable, that is equal to into limit x tends to 0, it is 1 minus sin x whole to the power of 1 by x. Okay, this product or this value is simply log 2 into, okay, already I said another formula, limit, you come here, limit x tends to 0 1 plus k x whole to the power of 1 by x is equal to e power k. I said like that. Okay, you come here. Now I am trying to obtain the standard form 1 plus kx whole to the power of 1 by x regarding this function. So therefore limit x tends to 0, it is 1 minus sin x. For this I can write 1 by sin x. Later to cancel sin x, I will write here sin x already divided by x is there. Okay, did you understand? You can multiply. For example, I applied a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. Okay, if possible, a to the power of m whole to the power of n means a to the power of m into n. Then sin x will be cancelled. It remains the same. So there is no loss of generality. So that is equal to log 2 into now you come here, limit capital X tends to 0 1 plus something capital X whole to the power of 1 by x equal to that x coefficient k e power k. So therefore limit 1 minute, x, if x is equal to 0, then sin x is also is equal to 0. In the same sense, as x tends to 0, it is equivalent to say that sin x will tends to 0. In the same sense, here instead of x equal to 0, we can write sin x tends to 0. Sin x tends to 0. Therefore, it is of the form limit capital X tends to 0, 1 plus k. K means k equal to minus 1. Kx whole power 1 by x. Okay. So therefore, total this value is means here also we can write x is function is there now. So this is limit x tends to 0. So therefore, it is what? E power minus 1, just like that. Next, what about this? This is 1 because limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta is equals to 1. So that is equal to log 2 into e power minus 1 means it is 1 by e. So therefore answer log 2 whole divided by e So final answer is log 2 divided by e. Hence the proposition. Limit n tends to infinity 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus and so on minus 2n divided by root of n square plus 1 plus root of 4n square minus 1. So the given question is equal to, 4 options are given. Limit n tends to infinity. Clearly we see that for odd numbers 1, 3, 5 and so on, actually minus 2n means that it is the last term. Then what will be the preceding term? 2n minus 1. So alternative sign is there. Minus is given here, therefore definitely plus will be here. So therefore it can be written as 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on up to a odd number, last odd number 2n minus 1. Okay, next minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 and so on minus 2n. So out of these even numbers 2 will be the common. So we can take minus 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n. You can verify that minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Okay, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, like that. Minus 2 into n minus 2n. So divided by whole divided by square root of n square plus 1 plus root of 4n square minus 1. So that is equal to limit n tends to infinity. Already I said about this sum of odd numbers from 1 to 2n minus 1 is simply n square. Of course it is the formula. I said in sequences series, you can refer this formula. So therefore 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on 2n minus 1 is simply n square. Later minus 2 into this one, clearly it is sigma n. Sigma n formula, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole divided by square root of n square plus 1 plus square root of 4n square minus 1. So that equal to limit n tends to infinity. Here 2 will be cancelled. Let us simplify. N square minus n into n square minus n square minus 2 plus minus n. So n square cancel, it remains only n. I mean minus n whole divided by, here we can take for example square root of n square plus 1 given term is there. So that is equal to square root of, so n square, okay, plus this one can be written as n square divided by n square and thus take n square common. So 1 plus n square will be outside, then it remains 1 by n square. So therefore square root of n square plus 1 can be written as root of n square into 1 plus 1 by n square. So therefore it will be square root of n square means n into root of this term 1 plus 1 by n square. Similarly, let us consider square root of 4 n square minus 1 equal to n square common, it is 4 minus 1 by n square. Of course, root of n square means n into square root of 4 minus 1 by n square. So therefore, about this term, n into square root of 1 plus 1 by n square. Next, plus n into square root of 4 minus 1 by n square as n tends to infinity. So therefore, in the denominator n common, numerator n, it will be cancelled. N common and cancelled. So that is equal to minus 1 whole divided by, as n tends to infinity means what? 1 by n will tends to 0. So therefore simply we can write 0 instead of 1 by n. 1 by n whole square means 0. So therefore it will be square root of 1 plus 0 plus square root of 4 minus 0. That is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 plus 0, 1 root 1 plus 4 minus 0, 4, root 4, 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. Where is that? It is in second option. Hence, second option is right. Hence the problem.